Are your Windows apps broken by the Zlibwapi.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. This DLL file is the Windows API wrapper for the zlib compression library. It allows software developers to use standard zlib functions through a simplified Windows-specific interface for handling compressed data. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Read distributable. This error usually occurs when parent software suite, the software where you encountered your error, is damaged or incompletely installed. Download and reinstall the latest official version of the application to replace required files such as the Zlibwapi.dll. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Zlibwapi. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install the Zlibwapi.dll, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to the Zlibwapi and registry optimization. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for parent software suite and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.